Welcome to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, and here's a walkthrough of one of our great RVs. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with triple slides, bath and a half, 2 pantries, king-size bed, living room fireplace, freestanding table with chairs, kitchen island with double sink, solid surface kitchen countertops, hide-a-bed sofa, 3-burner cooktop, dual lights over headboard, large master bath with large wardrobe closets, 4-door refrigerator, sink covers, decorative kitchen backsplash, bedroom television, solid surface countertops and bathroom, microwave, ceiling fan, overhead kitchen storage, entertainment center, stainless steel kitchen appliances, large counter area, separate vanity area with sink, mirror, and storage. Here at Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, we have been a family-owned dealership for 45 years, with 3 locations, new inventory arriving daily, and brands you trust. You can buy from Youngblood's RV and Outdoor knowing that you made the right choice. We stock our campers the way we would want to camp, with features and upgrades to provide your family with the best travel experiences and unforgettable memories. So if you're looking for your next RV, come to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, where we make the outdoors fun.